welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to make a duet video in TikTok. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. I think you need to know about the Duet is Duet allows you to post your video side by side with a video from another creator on TikTok. Duet video contains two videos in a split screen that play at the same time. Keep in mind you must have a public account to allow others to do it with your videos. Let's open our TikTok app. To make a Duet video, you can see the share button over here. Click over there, just tap on the share button, and on the bottom you can see Duet option is available for this video. Let's do it. Just tap on the Duet option and it will process our video. I'm doing this just for the sake of this video, just for the sake of showing you. I won't be doing an awesome Duet, so let's do it. And there you see, guys, our Duet has been created. Let's see the next. For now, I will put this on the draft. Okay, on draft it has been saved, and you can see the Duets over here on the two drafts. Okay, on here. And this is it, guys. This is how you create a Duet on TikTok. It is this simple to create a Duet or make a Duet with anybody else's video whom you like. And if you like the video, friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. And if you have any comments or questions regarding the topic, please don't hesitate to comment or write down in the comment section below. Peace.